giving real egghead vibes right now. Like, we're gonna fix all of this. Don't even stress yourself, okay? So y'all, I'm out of breath. I just ran up them steps. So it has been a minute since I have, you know, gave a video to you guys. I was really just taking a break from like almost the majority of June. It was my birthday month, and you know, I just wanted to be level-headed. I was working a lot, taking a lot of clients a day, every single day, and when my birthday came around, I just really wanted to relax and enjoy my birthday, enjoy my little break, my vacation, and I had so much fun, you guys. Your girl is legal, okay? I am 21. I'm 21. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So excited. I just know that this year is going to be even more filled with more blessings than 20 was. And I've achieved so much at the age of 20. So I just can't imagine what I will achieve by next year when I turn 22. Like, it's just crazy, and I know that the good Lord has been blessing me, and he will continue to bless me. And yeah, you guys, I'm just so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm so overwhelmed with all of the love that I received on that day. I kind of wish that every day was my birthday, but you know, I just really had a fun time, and I'm just super grateful for my circle, everyone that loves and supports me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. And you know, it's just a blessing to wake up and see another day, let alone a whole year until your birthday gets here, because so many people have lost their lives throughout the year. And you know, some people haven't seen the age 21, or even, you know, whatever age, but it's just a blessing to be able to celebrate a birthday, and even just to celebrate another morning that you wake up and the good Lord gives you a second chance. That is so rude. My phone is ringing. Hold on, y'all, hold on. But yeah, like I was saying, it's just a blessing. And sometimes you just have to, when you sit there and just reflect on your life, you will be so surprised about how many things that you took for granted. You know what I mean? Right now I'm just applying makeup to my cap so that it can match, because it wasn't matching. Before we get actually into the video, this hair is actually from Original Queen. They specialize in lace frontal wigs, full lace wigs, closures, frontals, and human hair bundles. And the wig that I have is their kinky curly lace frontal wig, and the texture, well, kinky curly. Well, in the length, I don't know. I think it's about 18 inches. I could be wrong, but I'll have all of the information down in the description box below. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video, and y'all go check them out. All right, we're gonna get into this. Right now, I'm just cleaning my skin. I had cleaned it with alcohol before, and right now I'm just using water just to clean up that makeup that might have got on my skin. But yeah, you guys, I have been missing from YouTube just because I took a break. No specific reason. I just felt like, you know, it was time to take a break. I really want to get back into the feel and the groove of things, but I just feel like right now my business is just taking over so much, and it's just getting extremely busy for me just to be able to focus on YouTube and hair. I don't just install hair. I have a hair company, so I do everything by myself. It's literally just me, and I kind of had to step back and just realize what was important to me at the time. And at the time I was more so focused on hair, but I am trying to get back into the groove of things with my YouTube, because I'm trying to hit 100K by the end of the year. That is my goal, and I really hope that I can make it. I know I only have 6 months left, but 6 months is kind of a long time. So we're gonna pray and hope for the best, and y'all continue to subscribe and support your girl, because we on the road to 100K, okay? So let me show you guys the wig. It's super puffy, and literally only the top part is puffy because I actually was going in and tweezing, so I had to comb through the hair in order to get, you know, the hair that I plucked out. But the curls are super defined, they're very pretty, and I actually did the baby hairs on the lace prior to me putting it on. I just feel like things just move quicker that way. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to put my foundation on the lace so that it can blend, because this lace is transparent. And I know a lot of people don't understand the whole transparent brown lace, Swiss lace, HD lace. Let me try my best to explain it the best way I can. So transparent lace is good for lighter complexions like me, and even lighter, because the lace is close to white. So transparent lace is good for complexions like that, and also for like lighter skin complexions like me. I don't necessarily have to get transparent lace every time, but it's definitely more convenient, because sometimes the brown lace may be a little too dark for me no matter how much makeup I put on it. And a lot of people think that bleaching the knots on your frontal lightens the lace. It does not. Bleaching the knots only lightens the knots. It doesn't do anything to the lace. You cannot change a lace color with chemicals. You know, it's just for hair. It's just for hair. And brown lace is for your brown skins out there who, because if a brown skin person was to wear transparent lace, you can put as much makeup on it as you want to tint it, and it'll work, it will. But say if they take pictures and they're in the dark or something, you will be able to tell that, you know, it's not brown, because that white cast from the lace being transparent is going to show up no matter what. So brown skin, brown lace; lighter skin, fair skin, transparent lace. Hope that explained a lot. So I'm actually using some new glue. This is the Erica Hold Me Down glue. First time using this. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm really excited. And before we do all of that, I'm just going to put the wig on just to see how it's looking. Ooh, Chad. Alright now. Whoa, this thing. This kind of big, or is it small? I don't know. Okay. Oh, this curl is so cute. Okay, yes, this is kind of big. All right, so we got this right here, and right now I'm just measuring it just to see how it's looking. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of her glue, and I'm going to blend it in with the tail of a comb. And just like any other glue, you want to wait until it dries like clear. Okay, so when it is clear like this side, you want to go ahead and apply your second layer. I feel like this dries so quick. Y'all, this glue is sticky, okay? So y'all know that means we about to be set, okay? Alright, so right now while the second layer is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut some pieces of the lace so that it can be easier to lay. And I am gonna do one more layer of the glue, just so that I can have a bit more security. Y'all, it is hot outside, like hot. All right, so this is the last layer. So that was the hard part, and now we are just going to cut off the excess ear tabs. To my little thing. Alright. And I'm just going to go ahead and pluck out some of that hair because I don't want it to look like too thick. Alright, so boom. Just gonna take a little freeze spray. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much the hair. Alright y'all, so this is what we working with. I think it's so cute. So I don't know if I'm going to do a side part. Should I do a side part or just like leave it in like a free part? And I think I'm gonna keep it this big as well. I love it this big. Obviously you guys can wet it down, but I'm gonna keep it just like this. Or we can do a middle part. And you guys, it's actually very, the parting space on the wig is actually very deep, so you can really do whatever side part you want, but I think I'm gonna do a side part with this. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much the completed look for this hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. So let me know if you guys like how this little baby hair right here is looking. And yeah, so you guys know the drill. Before we go, today's motivational quote is, God knows when to send you exactly what you need. So continue to keep your faith and watch him work. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.